Hey there, health enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the tiny yet mighty world of chia seeds. These little powerhouses are packed with goodness, and we're here to explore the top 10 health benefits they bring to the table. But, before starting the video, please subscribe to our channel to get informed about health-related issues and its solution. So, let's get started. Let's talk about the health benefits of chia seeds. Number 1. Nutrient-rich superfood. Chia seeds are a nutrient-rich superfood. Despite their small size, they're loaded with essential nutrients like fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and various vitamins and minerals. Talk about a nutritional powerhouse. Number 2. Rich in antioxidants. Chia seeds are also rich in antioxidants, which help protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals. Antioxidants are like the superheroes of the nutrition world, defending our bodies from harm. Number 3. Heart-healthy omega-3. Now, let's talk about heart health. Chia seeds are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, known for their cardiovascular benefits. These healthy fats can help reduce inflammation and lower the risk of heart disease. Number 4. Supports digestive health. Moving on to the digestive system. Chia seeds are fiber champions. Their soluble fiber content can help regulate bowel movements and promote a healthy gut, preventing constipation. Number 5. Blood sugar regulation. For those mindful of blood sugar levels, chia seeds may be a game changer. The fiber and protein in chia seeds contribute to a slower absorption of sugar, helping maintain more stable blood sugar levels. Number 6. Weight management. If you're on a journey to manage your weight, chia seeds might be your new best friend. The combination of fiber and protein helps keep you feeling fuller for longer, potentially curbing those between meal cravings. Number 7. Bone health. Let's not forget about our bones. Chia seeds are a good source of calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium, essential minerals that play a crucial role in maintaining strong and healthy bones. Number 8. Energizing powerhouse. Need an energy boost? Chia seeds got your back. The combination of nutrients and slow-release carbohydrates can provide a sustained energy release, perfect for powering through your day. Number 9. Versatile culinary ingredient. Now, let's talk about the versatility of chia seeds in the kitchen. From smoothie bowls to puddings, chia seeds can be easily incorporated into various recipes, adding a nutritional punch to your meals. Number 10. Add chia seeds in your diet. The simplicity of incorporating chia seeds into your diet, whether you sprinkle them on yogurt, blend them into a smoothie, or create a delightful chia pudding, adding these tiny seeds to your meals is easy and delicious. And there you have it, 10 incredible health benefits of chia seeds. If you found this information helpful, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and share it with fellow health enthusiasts. Remember, these little seeds may be small, but their impact on your well-being can be mighty. Thanks for tuning in to Health Buddy. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.